स्पेस क्या है, टाइम क्या है, स्पेस टाइम क्या है? ये कुछ ऐसे सवाल हैं जिसे हम मैनकाइंड हजारों सालों से समझने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और पिछले कुछ सेंचुरीज में हमने इस फील्ड में काफ़ी सक्सेस भी मिली। बट देयर इज़ अ लॉट मोर टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट स्पेस टाइम. सो in this video we will try to understand some fundamentals of space time, and we will also know why relativity is so fundamental in nature. So स्पेस टाइम को समझने से पहले हमें स्पीड को समझना होगा. What is a speed? We know it from class 8, right? A speed is equal to distance upon time, or you can say a space upon time, which come together to make space-time fabric. We also have to understand some basics of relativity. What is relativity? हमारे आसपास जो भी चीज़ें मौसम में होती है उनके स्पीड्स इस बात पे डिपेंड करती है कि आप उसे देख कहाँ से रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप जब कार में ट्रेवल करते हो तो आपके सामने से आने वाली कार आपको तेज़ी से गुजरती हुई दिखती है. सो देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल, बट वी विल कंटिन्यू विद आवर टॉपिक. नाउ देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन which Newton asked himself in 16th century. What is that question? So for understanding the problem, we have to do a thought experiment. Okay, so you have to imagine what I'm saying. Now let's start. Imagine you are spinning. You can feel a centrifugal force which is pushing you outward. And we know centrifugal force depends on velocity, which is a relative term. Means it depends from where you are observing it. So here is the question which Newton asked. Imagine everything is vanished away from the universe and there is no one to observe the motion. So how will you even know that you are moving or not? Because there is no one to observe your motion. So here Newton came up with the idea of space. According to the Newton, you are moving with respect to space. And from here, a space came into the picture. According to Newton, a space is a non-visible and static entity, and time is absolute entity in space. Means time flows at same rate in everywhere in the universe. Everything exists in space. If you think, it was a great idea which Newton thought way back in 16th century, and this is also a reason why he is considered one of the greatest scientists of all time. But everything was fine, but someone was not happy. Means someone had a problem with the idea of static space and absolute time. He don't, but it has. Yes, light has a problem with it. Look, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, but what if speed is constant itself? Yeah, light travels at a constant speed. Then what keeps the speed of light constant? In this time, it was Einstein who asked this question, but no one had answered that time. So Einstein came up with the idea of relative space and time. Now, Einstein simply said, if a speed of light is constant, then distance, or you can say space and time, must be relative or flexible, and both came together to form a four-dimensional space-time fabric, which keeps speed of light constant by adjusting space and time itself. And it was actually a great and revolutionary idea. Einstein broke the laws given by the most influential scientist of that time. And from here, we got the idea of a space-time fabric. After the discovery of a space-time fabric, Einstein challenged Newton's idea on gravity, and we got the theory of general relativity. And whatever theories are we studying now, like quantum field theory, wormholes, black holes, string theory, neutron stars, all originated from that very moment. So it was the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you have any query or suggestions, please comment down below. Thanks for listening.